integrity constants. Constant means condition, integrity means correctness. एज ग्रेटर देन 0 कंडीशन हम लगा सकते हैं सो दैट एज में करेक्ट डाटा स्टोर हो पाए. की कांस्टेंट. की इज एट्रीब्यूट or attributes whose values uniquely identify each record. Registration number is a key. Candidate key. It uniquely identify each record. Condition क्या है? Value identical और same नहीं होना चाहिए. And second one is candidate key का सबसेट की नहीं हो सकता. इसका मतलब अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर एक की है तो रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर कॉमा स्टूडेंट नेम कैन नॉट बी ए कैंडिडेट की. In this table, registration number is a candidate key because the values are unique, and branch is also a candidate key because the values of branch are also unique. They are not repeated. But student name cannot be a candidate key because look here, Sunil. The value is repeated, so it cannot be a candidate key. Similarly, section cannot be a candidate key. From many candidate key, database designer select one candidate key. That key is called primary key. Primary key has two property. Uniqueness means values are not identical, all values are unique, and not null means we are not allowing the null values. Alternate key. Alternate key, candidate key which are not selected from primary key are called alternate key. Super key. It is the superset of candidate key. Super key are formed by adding extra attributes to the candidate key. Referential integrity constants. Referential constant is applied by primary key and foreign key. Foreign key creates a parent-child relationship between two tables. Consider two tables. One is student table, another table is mark table. Student table has the registration number, name, branch, section as attribute or column, and mark table has attribute like registration number, semester, and mark. Registration number of student table is called primary key. Registration number of mark table is called foreign key. Student table is called parent table and mark table is called child table. Foreign key will refer the primary key. Mark table में we do not maintain all the information of student because it will increase redundancy. That means repetition will increase. Mark table requires any information, then he has to refer the student table. So there are two important rules. Rule 1, you cannot delete a record from student when there is a record in mark. Rule 2, you cannot insert a record into mark if that record do not exist in student.